Sherry Hearn from Salty Girl here, and today I am going to be putting together a 5-foot Driftwood Christmas tree. I'm going to show you what you get. When you buy one of our trees, you will get an instruction sheet, a piece of lobster rope, smells pretty good, and you'll get a pole, very heavy pole, and you'll get a driftwood base that we've made like this. And so what you'll do when you get your driftwood tree, when you get the box, take it all out. I like to take and spread my wood out and put the branches, start just stacking them on the floor from large to small. You can put your tree together any way you want. If you don't want your tree to be a traditional tree, you can stick some smaller branches in the middle. Otherwise, you'll just go from large to small on your branches. Then you want to just put the pole down here like that. And then you're just going to start threading your branches. Okay, so I do it like this. And what you want to do actually, you want to make sure that your branch is supported. If I just let this go and dropped it, there's a very good chance that it would break, because driftwood branches, once they're drilled in the middle, they're compromised a little bit, and that makes them even more brittle than they already are. But they're very strong as long as you don't just drop them down. And just give them a little support as you go. Each tree is made to order, so they're all custom. They're all made one by one, and then they're put together. And after we get done making each tree, we take a picture of it to make sure it looks good. And then if you call us with any questions or comments, we can pull up the photo of your tree and we can check it out and see if we can figure out what's going on, or if you need a replacement branch, then we can pull it up and see what your tree looked like. And so there's no right or wrong. And that's why we don't number our tree branches, because we want you to have freedom to decide how you want your tree to go. My family, my kids and I, we like to put our driftwood tree together every year. We take turns going up and picking a branch, and then you put it on the pole yourself. And as you slide it down, you say a wish or a prayer. And hopefully it's for something good for someone else. And we do that as we put the whole tree together until we're to the very end. And it makes it a special occasion. So it's not just about having a tree, it's more about the event of putting the tree together. And that's what we like to do. I feel like I'm getting a workout here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, if you have two people doing this together, it's a little faster because someone can be handing you the pole. But if you're doing it by yourself, it still only takes way under 15 minutes to put together your Christmas tree. Okay, we are getting there. Let's see, this one's a big guy. And if you get to the end of your tree, you get to the top, and there's extra branches, then that's a good thing, because we try to give a little bit extra just in case, by chance, our friendly mail people were a little rough with the package in shipping and anything breaks. So if you do have an extra one or two, keep it with your tree and put it away so that next year, if you need an extra branch, you can pull it out. All right, looks like we will probably end up with a couple, I think. We're almost there. Let's see. Okay, down there. I kind of, as I'm putting them on, I just sort of spin them kind of the way I want them to be. Then at the end I can tweak it, but I don't have to fan them all out because they're already kind of fanned out. Okay. As you can see, this is a lot of driftwood. This is about a couple of loads on my paddleboard with my pooch to get it. We go through our our wood and make sure that it's strong, not rotted. We sand off any sharp edges, if we find any, and we take off any, there's not usually any bark, but if there is, okay, I am gonna end up with extra, so I'm gonna do, let's see, this one, and let's see, okay, we'll do this one, see that I ended up with 4 extra pieces, woo, okay, then I'm gonna put the top on like this, and then, looks like I could probably put 1 more piece on if I wanted, then I take the rope, I wrap it around a couple of times, and I just like the rope because I think that it gives it a real nautical, beachy feel. Plus I know all this rope I get at the, in coves, I bring my little snippers and I cut it from washed up lobster traps, and I just think that it adds a nice coastal touch. So, let's just see. Okay. Oh, sometimes it's a little bit tough here, so I don't have to tie it in a double knot, but actually maybe we won't do that knot. Maybe we'll do it more like this. So there we go. There is my driftwood tree, and I hope that shows you how to do this, and hopefully you love your tree and it lasts you for many, many years. Maybe it's even an heirloom. All right, have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. That was long. How long was that?